Classic vehicle enthusiasts and 3D modeling fans, we got something truly special to show you today. We're proud to present our latest creation, the Mack B6 tow truck, featuring an incredibly detailed Holmes 750 wrecker unit and built with that rugged character that made these trucks legendary. With 389,000 meticulously crafted polygons, we've captured every detail of this rescue beast. From the ultra-detailed Holmes 750 equipment to the smooth opening doors, this model is designed to bring realism to your projects. The single rear axle configuration maintains that classic tow truck essence, while the PBR materials, including diamond plate metal, rubber tires, plastics, and leather, offer a pristine finish ready for your personal touch. What makes this model unique is its perfect balance of authenticity and functionality. In Blender, you'll find doors linked to empties for perfect animations, independent wheels and rims for maximum control, steering wheel with full rig for realistic movement, every component organized by material for hassle-free texturing. This Mack B6 tow truck is available now to bring realism to your creations, whether you're using it for simulator cinematic renders or as a collectible piece. Purchase links are in the description. But this is more than just a model. We want to build a community. What other classic service vehicles would you like to see recreated with this level of detail? A 1970s record truck? Maybe a vintage ambulance? Your ideas could become our next project. If this content inspires you, don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Every interaction helps us continue preserving these engineering marvels. Now tell us, how would you use this Mack B6 tow truck? Will it star in a documentary about rescue vehicles? Or be the centerpiece of your next American truck simulator mod? Because these trucks are more than just machines. They're witnesses to countless stories of rescue and service. And with this 3D model, those stories can continue to inspire through your hands.